You like little dogs? Be careful, don't pet it, because it's done been hurt.
Maybe somebody ran over it.
Oh, I think another animal got her. So we were cooking an after-school snack, and this little dog wandered up in our yard. We're trying to feed it.
But my daddy don't want a dog in the house.
No, he don't want a dog in the house.
Because it's gonna kill dogs.
No, he ain't gonna kill no dog. We didn't even have no dog food. I don't know whose little puppy it is, but it sort of look like it might be. Stop, Treasure.
It's gonna go in the road.
It's not. We fed it. It ain't gonna go nowhere.
I think it's gonna go over. See?
I don't know if your daddy will let you keep it, okay? Be careful. I don't know if it's dirty. We have to wash our hands. Be careful, Treasure. See, it's shaking. It's scared. It don't want you to pick it up, Treasure. Its back part is hurt. We gotta see if it's got an owner. See its back. Poor baby. Well, it ran off. It's gonna get hurt again.
I don't know.
He
I guess he'll want to get ran over again.
You silly. I guess so, because he went on up the road. He ate our food, though.
But that was my food you gave.
I know it.
And I'm very mad.
I didn't have no dog food. I don't know if it's trying to get back home. I'm sorry, it's got a home. It's probably trying to find its way home. I can't hold it hostage. Okay? It'll come back. My child is crying real tears about a dog that ain't even hers. She want me to keep the dog hostage just because she wants the dog. But it's not our dog. So now I gotta stand out here and watch this dog that's wandering aimlessly on this busy road. Oh Lord, I hope you don't get hit. It ain't looking good for little fella. Cause our road is super busy. I don't even let the kids play outside. And it's a big rock waller across the street. So little buddy, good luck.